Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little bird.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie.
Yeah.
What should we draw?
Artie doesn't know. No, I don't know.
How about a cute little bird?
Yeah, okay. Oh, yes, please.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Hi, guys.
Okay.
Okay, Artie, are you ready to draw our cute little bird?
Yay. Okay.
Well, let's begin. Let's start by drawing a little black oval towards the top of the page on the right side. Now, Artie, let's draw a circle around that black oval. That's it, just a little circle. Now let's do the right side of the bird's head. A little curve. And another little curve for the left side. And now join the two curves together.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thanks for that advice, Louie. Now draw a gentle S-shaped curve with a little hook on the end and another curve that joins up to the hook. Now let's do another curve on the left side. And another curve that joins to the end of our little S shape.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
That's right, guys, it doesn't look much like a bird yet. But it will. Time for another little gentle curve. And then from the end of that, go all the way round underneath the bird's tummy. And leave two little gaps. Let's draw a tail feather. Draw an oval circle with another one just outside. Very good, Artie.
Oh, that right.
Cartoon break? Okay, let's have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured purple.
Artie loves purple. Look, purple flowers. Purple butterflies. Two purple doors. Purple balloons.
You found lots of purple things today, Artie.
Artie loves purple.
You have purple sleeves on your shirt, Artie.
Oh,
Okay, let's get back on with our drawing of a bird. Let's do 3 feathers on top of the bird's head. We're going to do the same as we did before. A little oval shape with a larger oval shape on the outside. And then one in the middle, bigger. That's right, Artie. And then a third one on the right-hand side. You're on a roll, Artie.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
Okay, let's add the bird's beak. Just 4 little tiny curved lines. There you go. Now he has a beak. Let's add those legs. 2 straight lines. And then we're going to add 3 little rectangles at the bottom.
Mikey, why do you always wear the same color cap?
'Cause it's glued to my head.
Well, that's a good reason, Mikey. Well, Artie's finished the other leg. It's looking pretty finished to me.
That turned out so good.
It's amazing.
Are you finished, Artie? It looks so good. I love that lime green colour that you chose and the yellow legs.
See you later, little artists.
Have a great day, guys.
Thanks for watching today, little artists, and we hope you have an arty day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.